Have you ever thought about getting a cat but didn't know which breed to choose? I mean, they're all adorable, but trust me, not every cat fits every lifestyle. Some are little shadows that follow you everywhere, while others are independent kings and queens who tolerate your presence, if you're lucky. Some cats want to climb your walls like Spider-Man, while others just want to nap on your laptop. So, how do you find the perfect cat for you? Let's break it down. Welcome to Kittypedia, your go-to channel for everything about cats. If you love learning about our feline friends, hit that subscribe button and join our cat-loving community. Now, let's talk about the best cat breeds and which one might be your perfect match. Alright, let's start with personality. If you're looking for a cat that's friendly, patient, and great with kids or other pets, you can't go wrong with ragdolls. These fluffy sweethearts love being held, carried, and even dressed up. Think of them as real-life teddy bears. Maine Coons are another top choice. These gentle giants are affectionate, playful, and surprisingly dog-like in their loyalty. Then we have the Scottish Fold, known for their adorable folded ears and calm nature. They love attention but won't demand it 24/7. And if you want a reliable, easygoing cat that fits into any home, the American Shorthair is a great pick, low maintenance, friendly, and just happy to be there. And let's talk about Siberians because they are an amazing, family-friendly breed. Not only are they affectionate and social, but they're also great with kids. They have a patient nature, so they can handle a little rough play better than some other breeds. They're also playful and energetic, which means they love interactive games, perfect for keeping kids entertained. Another plus, they're confident and not easily scared, so they won't be stressed out in a busy household. And if you've ever wanted a cat with a dog-like personality, Siberians love greeting their humans at the door and even playing fetch. The only thing to keep in mind is their thick coat, which needs regular brushing. So teaching kids how to gently groom them can be a great bonding activity.
But let's say you live in an apartment or just prefer a relaxed, low-energy cat. In that case, a British Shorthair might be perfect. They're independent, affectionate when they feel like it, and totally fine just lounging around. Russian Blues are another great apartment-friendly option, quiet, elegant, and a little reserved, but very loving once they trust you. If you want something truly luxurious, there's the Persian, the ultimate lap cat who just wants a life of comfort. They're calm, affectionate, and love a cozy spot by the window. And if you love the Persian look but don't want all the grooming hassle, the exotic Shorthair is basically a Persian in a short-haired, low-maintenance package. Now, maybe you want a cat that's more than just a pet, you want a best friend that follows you everywhere. If that sounds like you, then Siamese cats will be your dream come true. They're vocal, affectionate, and will literally have conversations with you. Not kidding, they'll talk to you all day. Burmese cats are also super affectionate but a little less chatty. If you want a mix of playful and cuddly, the Tonkinese is a great choice. And if you're after something loving but not too clingy, Burmans strike the perfect balance. They adore their humans but won't overwhelm you with constant demands for attention. Of course, some people don't just want a lap cat, they want a cat that's always up for an adventure. If you love active, playful pets, you need to check out the Bengal. These stunning, leopard-like cats are athletic, smart, and always on the move. Abyssinians are another non-stop energy ball, always climbing, jumping, and exploring. If you want something even wilder, the Savannah cat, a cross between a domestic cat and a serval, is basically a mini cheetah with tons of energy. And if you love the wild spotted look but want a super social and friendly cat, the Osicat is a perfect fit. Speaking of active, let's talk about intelligence. Some cats aren't just playful, they're problem solvers. Siamese cats top the list here because they're incredibly smart, can learn tricks, and even walk on a leash. Bengals, too, are puzzle masters who can figure out how to open doors and cabinets. But don't underestimate the fluffy Maine Coon, they're highly trainable and love interactive games. And of course, Siberians belong on this list, too. These cats are extremely intelligent, known for their problem-solving skills and memory.
They can be trained to follow commands, solve puzzles, and even play fetch. If you want a smart and interactive cat, they're an excellent choice. Now let's talk about something important: health. While all cats need regular vet visits and good care, some breeds are naturally healthier and hardier than others. Siberians are one of the healthiest breeds, known for their strong immune systems and low risk of genetic diseases. Maine Coons, despite their large size, are generally healthy, if properly cared for, though they do need screening for heart issues. American Shorthairs are another robust breed, with very few inherited health problems and a long lifespan. Bengals are athletic and naturally fit, but they do best with an active lifestyle to prevent obesity. If you're looking for a cat that's low maintenance in the health department, these breeds are great choices. Now let's talk about something just as important: allergies. If you love cats but struggle with sneezing and itchy eyes, there are breeds that might work for you. Siberians have lower levels of the FeLD1 allergen, which is the main trigger for cat allergies. Balinese cats, despite having long fur, are also known for producing less of it. If you prefer a sleek, elegant look, Oriental Shorthairs are another great hypoallergenic option. And then there are the Devon Rex and Cornish Rex. Both have very short, curly fur, which means less shedding and less dander floating around your home. And finally, if you're completely new to owning a cat and want something low maintenance, Ragdolls are an excellent choice because they're friendly, relaxed, and easygoing. American Shorthairs are another beginner-friendly breed. They don't demand too much and adapt well to any environment. Scottish Folds are playful, but not overly energetic, so they're a nice balance. And if you want a cat that's independent, but still affectionate, a British Shorthair is a great first cat.
Alright, let's sum it up. If you're looking for the best cat breed for your lifestyle, here's what you need to know. Oriental Shorthair, hypoallergenic. Devon Rex, hypoallergenic. Cornish Rex, hypoallergenic. Scottish Fold, friendly and good with kids. Best for apartments. British Shorthair, best for first-time owners. Best for apartments. Russian Blue, best for apartments. Friendly, but independent. Persian, best for apartments, most affectionate and clingy. Lap cat type. Exotic, short hair, best for apartments, most affectionate and clingy. Lap cat type. Burmese, most affectionate and clingy, best friend type. Friendly and good with kids. Tonkinese, most affectionate and clingy, best friend type. Friendly and good with kids. Burman, most affectionate and clingy, best friend type. Friendly and good with kids. Abyssinian, most playful and active, friendly and good with kids. Savannah cat, most playful and active, friendly and good with kids. Osicat, most playful and active, friendly and good with kids. American Shorthair, friendly and good with kids. Best for first-time owners. Best for apartments. Healthiest breeds. Siamese, most affectionate and clingy. Best friend type. Most intelligent and trainable. Friendly and good with kids. Hypoallergenic. Bengal, most playful and active. Most intelligent and trainable. Healthiest breeds. Friendly and good with kids. Ragdoll, friendly and good with kids. Best for first-time owners. Most affectionate and clingy. Best friend type. Maine Coon, friendly and good with kids. Best for first-time owners. Most affectionate and clingy. Best friend type. Most intelligent and trainable. Healthiest breeds. Friendly and good with kids. Siberian, friendly and good with kids. Best friend type. Dog-like behavior. Most intelligent and trainable. Healthiest breeds. Hypoallergenic, most affectionate and clingy. Friendly and good with kids.
So, which cat breed is the best? Well, that depends on you. Are you looking for a cuddly lap cat, an active explorer, or an independent companion? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Kittypedia for more cat-related content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.